Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. First, if you want to get the breaking news today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News and press bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Where's Angie Smith Motorcycle accident happened today, and which the footage of the accident is also available to watch on YouTube. Footage is available, and it was a very sad moment that happened today when she was crashed in a accident, and check out. It is a must watch and sad moment that happened today.